Hi, myself M. Jinita, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinarar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see variations in a select statement. First, we see symbol select. The select statement can be used to display specific column from a table by specifying the column names. Syntax for this is select column name from table name. Example is select register number, comma, student's name from student details. By this select command, you can see the register number and student name from the table name student details. Next select statement is select with distinct. The distinct keyword is used along with the select statement to remove duplicate rows from the result. If the distinct is not specified, all rows are returned, including duplicate. Syntax is select distinct column name from table name. Example, select distinct address from student details. In student details, we have many address. For all the students, we have mentioned the address of the student. By giving this statement, it will give the addresses which is unique, which is not having duplicate. So, by the result, we can see only two addresses, that is Thiruvachur and Thandiyapet is only two address in the table. Next, we can also have distinct keyword with the multiple fields that we can use with the more than one field in the SQL select statement. Example, select distinct student name, comma, address from student details. Now we are giving two field with the distinct keyword. Where class. Where class is used along with the select statement to extract only the records that fulfill a specific criteria. Syntax for this is select column name from table name, where column name some operator value to filter. Example, select star from student detail, where course is equal to BCA. This query will return the record of the student who have choosing the course BCA from the table student details. Operator allowed in the where class. Equal to, not equal to, greater than, lesser than, greater than equal to, lesser than equal to, between, like and in. Example for where operation. Select star from student detail where course is equal to BCA. This query will return the student records who have choose the course BCA. Next, select star from student details where course is not is equal to BCA. This query is opposite to the previous. That is, it's return the detail of the students who have not choosing the BCA course. Next, select star from student details where register number is greater than 10,004. So, it return the student records who have the register number greater than 10,004. Likewise, you can see the examples. Where with multiple condition, we are able to select rows meets two different conditions at the same time. Two conditional statements are linked together by the logical operator. Syntax for this is select column name from table name, where condition 1 logical operator condition 2. Example, select star from student detail where register number is equal to 10,000 and course is equal to BCA. This query will return the record if these two conditions will meet. If he have the register number 10,000 and he are choosing the course BCA means that particular record will be fetched. Otherwise, it will return no data. Between operator. The between operator select values in a given range. The value can be numbers, text or dates. The between operator is inclusive. Beginning and end values are included. Syntax for this is select column name from table name where column name between value 1 and value 2. We can see the example. Select student name, date of birth from student detail where date of birth between 1st January 2000 and 30th June 2000. By executing this query, it will return the student name and date of birth of the student who have born between these 2 days. Like operator. Like operator is used in the where class to search for a specific pattern in a column. There are two wildcard often used in conjunction with the like operator. First is percentage. The percentage sign represents 0, 1 or multiple characters. Next, underscore. The underscore represents a single character. Let's see the example. Select star from student detail where student name like within single quotes a percentage. This query will return the student details who have the name start with A. Next query is select star from student detail where student name like percentage I. That is, this query will return the student details who have name is end with the I. Next query is select star from student detail where student name like A double underscore. So this query will return the student detail whose name is start with A and having only 3 character total. That is, first character is A. The other than A, they can allow only 2 character. That is, having 3 character in this name. Next, select star from student detail where student name like within single quotes 3 underscore is given. So it will select all the student detail who have name with the 3 character length. Next, see the in operator. The in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where class. The in operator is a shorthand for multiple or conditions. Syntax for this is select column name from table name where column name in within bracket we want to specify the values value 1 comma value 2 etc. Example, select star from student details where course in within bracket BCom comma BBA. This query will return the student details who have selecting the course BCom and BBA. You can use not in instead of in. That is, example, select star from student detail where course not in within bracket BCom comma BBA. This query will return the student details who are all not choosing the course BCom and BBA. Order by keyword. The order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. By default, it orders the record in ascending order. If we want to sort the record in descending order, we can use the DESC keyword. Let's see the syntax for this. Select column 1, column 2, etc. from table name. Order by column 1, column 2, etc. ASC or DESC. ASC is for ascending order, DESC for descending order. Let's see the example for it. Select start from student detail, order by student name. This query will return the student details with the sorting order of student's name, that is sorting ascending order of the student name. As there is no keyword in the end, the default order is ascending order. Next, select start from student details, order by student name, space DESC. DESC is the keyword which is used to show the order as descending order. So this query will return the student detail with the descending order of the student's name. I hope you understand various select statement from this video. Thank you for watching.